Hi, Shannon here, back from houseimprovements.com, and we're back at the garage build this morning. It's going to be a little bit of a quicker day today. We've got to get the wooden fascia on and the sheeting on, and that'll probably be all we get done today. So we've got to put fascia all the way along here and obviously sheet the entire roof. And we'll probably close in the bottom of these little soffits over here too. That'll prevent insulation from coming out of there when it's installed. So should be a fairly quick day today. Got a few guys coming over to give me a hand again, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we're all finished up for the day. That was a quick about 3-hour day. We got all the sheeting on the roof up top. And what else? I guess we started with putting the fascia on. So the fascia boards on. And then the 7/16 OSB sheeting. You can tell up there. And then since I had some help, I also had the lumber store bring by the bundles of shingles so that I had a bit of help up there to spread them out. So all in all, really quick but productive day. And now basically the whole shell is up, and there's just some few little minor things to go around and do before I start making it look pretty.